The Lymorexan 8-foot pole mount enhances antenna positioning for improved signal reception and faster transmission, making it ideal for vehicles like recreational vehicles and vans. Its vacuum suction cup design, made from high-quality materials, provides strong stability and can hold up to 120 pounds, ensuring a secure grip on smooth surfaces. Portability is a key feature, as the mount can extend to 8 feet and fold down to 2 feet, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces such as a trunk. Constructed from rust-resistant stainless steel, this mount is built to last with a diameter of 1.5 inches, offering durability and resistance to deformation. The included adjustable top adapter allows for horizontal adjustments between 0 and 30 degrees, optimizing signal reception by addressing angle compatibility issues. Installation is quick and straightforward with 5 extension pipes and threaded joints, providing a more secure assembly than snap-on designs.